Okay, so the factory spotted is still a bit active. There's workers walking around it, so we'll try and infiltrate it and hopefully not be caught.
We got a worker over there, and we got those in the crane or lift over there. So our hope is we can like go straight through here without getting caught. However, it could be a little bit difficult giving that worker in the truck over there. Oh, he's jumping. He jumped out of the vehicle. Well, if we can't get straight through, we must like climb all the way around there, and I'd rather not do that. That seems to be a little bit annoying.
Okay, so the workers just keep on spawning everywhere. They are both sides of the entrance and at both ends of the place. So, and one of them is, I don't know if you can see it, they are in a crane almost. So two of the people are 20 meters high painting the bridge, which makes it kind of difficult to hide.
What is he doing?
I'm under the bridge right now. Hopefully I didn't get seen by I took the runaway fence, but we'll see. Hopefully they didn't see shit and we're good to go.
Okay, so the other guy still tries. He's like right in between those pillars, surrounded by workers. I'm not sure if I got seen by him, but he moved in a way where his face was visible towards mine. So I won't risk it anymore. I'll just take the long way around. Okay, so I'm just behind this guy. He's right there, and I better not get busted here. That would be shitty. Better just slowly, steady, not breaking anything to make me. Okay. Oh fuck, what is that? Oh, that's fucking horrible. How in the fucking world am I supposed to get through that? So the other guy said that huge machines were working in the factory. So it might be in a stage of being demolished. Now the question is whether I can even go through that. Because that absolutely mad. Well, at least someone. Oh, wow, fuck! Oh my fucking god! What a hole! Jesus Christ! Ah, fuck?
I did go for the run, and I just ran when I was in a blind spot to one of the workers, and pretty glad that the two others didn't see me. But Fox is taking a route around the side, but I just fucking brute forced through it. Or not brute force, snuck through it.
It just crushed my back. But I'm in. Infiltration, well, almost completed. We need to get in there. Damn, it looks huge. Let's go. Only the last fence left. Okay, so this is the way in after this crazy infiltration. So now we're inside. Infiltration completed, finished, successful. Yes, I think we'll head in here. This is huge.
Should we try this?
Oh, this is cool. Holy shit. Such a cool place. Oh shit. Fuck, that's so cool. God damn it. It'll be cool to get up there. Oh, this is so cool. Holy shit. Oh shit, holy fuck. What the fuck is this? Okay, shit. The guys just walked just past us. How the fuck did he hear us? What the fuck? What is happening? Okay, so we'll try to get to the top. Oh, this is crazy. Holy shit. Oh, this is crazy. crazy, man.
Vil du holde den her?
Ja. Oh. You can see it. Okay, so I think we will leave this place very soon, but it has been very fun to explore this. It has been amazing, actually. Yeah, so this was a pretty crazy place. Now we will go to the next one.